everyone, it's me Hazana. Our company has job fair every day. Who is searching a job and who lives in Japan. And the 25 Japan companies we will be introducing. And you can visit our company for job fair and interview. Monday, Wednesday, Friday it's 11 a.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, Sunday it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And this is the yellow ticket of interview, and that means you can choose one company which one you are interested from our job event, and you can give the interview directly that company. And for example, this company is the location is Saitama, and this is the factory, and salary will be start 1,800 yen, and it has given bonus and daily conversation Japanese is okay, and no experience required. And so if you want to know more information about this job or other jobs, please visit our company for job fair, and please contact this mobile number. Thank you so much.